Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So my fiance gave me a Cricut and I've been playing around with it. So I'm going to show you how I made this cute shirt for my son. I edit with Illustrator, but you can also do this in the Cricut program. I'm just going to show you that I'm going to make this image a compound path in order to put it in the Cricut art area. So I'm gonna delete just these pieces that got in there and just click with the A tool, select them by double clicking one of the dots and just delete them. So I want to show you that it's just one single image and I'm gonna save it as BB8 rolling just to know what it is, and I'm gonna save it as a SVG and just select the folder that you're not gonna forget where it will be. So now I'm gonna go to the design space for Cricut. I already have a couple images there that I've been working for the centerpiece of my son's. So I'm gonna upload the image as it is and it'll show me what it looks like, so you can add tags in case you add a lot of images and you want to look through them and you don't want to keep scrolling. That's a good way to find them. I'm gonna go ahead and save, and when it is uploaded I'm just gonna click it and select it and I'm gonna insert it into my space. So here it is a cut image because I'm gonna use iron-on vinyl, and I'm gonna actually resize it because it's for a 11-month-old baby, so I don't really need it too big. So I'm gonna resize it a little bit more until I have the size I want, and I'm gonna click make it. So this is what it will look in my math. You click on mirror because I'm going to use iron on, and you really want to make sure that you have it like that. Click continue, and I'm going to change the materials. I'm going to use the iron on, so I go to my machine and I do this, and then make sure that your vinyl is the Chinese side down, and just place it on the top corner. Start on the top corner. So as you can tell, the machine already changed the materials. Now it's telling me what to do, and it's load the mat into the machine. So I'm gonna make sure I put it under those little tabs and click that arrow. That way the machine will register where the material is and everything, and so I can start cutting it. It's already loaded, and now I click fast mode and I actually press the go button, the C, and it will start cutting the material, and it actually shows you the progress and the percentage for like how is it cutting it and all that. So that's pretty cool. I love watching how the machine works. I think it's amazing. I'm having a lot of fun working with this. This is the Cricut Explorer 2, I believe. So it is a pretty handy tool. I made the centerpieces for my son with this, and then I'm making a shirt for my baby. So it is pretty helpful just to make your own stuff if you're really crafty like I am. The next step is to unload the mat. It will let you know when it's done. So as you can tell, you can actually see the cuts there. I'm gonna peel off the vinyl, and then I'm gonna cut the excess because I can still use a little bit of this. With this tool, my fiance got me these tools as well. It came in a pack with like 6 of these, or different, but they came with them. And I'm just gonna kind of start peel off the excess, not the actual letters, but the everything, the white around it. And I'm going to make sure to pull nice and to not rip it. And I'm just gonna clean the shirt a little. It has a lot of lint. With this little iron that I have, this is what I use. I'm gonna remove the steam from the iron, and I'm gonna kind of iron my shirt a little until it gets warm so I can place the vinyl. Just make sure that you have it in the setting that you want, or in the space that you need. And I place a piece of cotton. It's white and it's a little translucent, which helps. I'm gonna start ironing. I don't move the iron. It's 15 seconds, and then I move to the next spot where I haven't touched it with the iron, and I do this until I completed my whole image. So I'm gonna go ahead, remove, and just make sure that everything is fine. If not, I'll just kind of go around slowly heating up the image, and once it has cooled off, I'm just gonna pull out the film just very slowly. Make sure that you're not pulling the letters, and if you do, go back and iron a little bit longer. And now that I have it like that, I'm gonna place the white cotton again, and I'm gonna do a quick iron just to set things. I'm gonna flip the shirt and iron on the back as well, just to make sure that everything is set correctly and it will stay. And remember, when you watch it up inside out, just so it doesn't get ruined with other clothes. So this is the tutorial. It was really easy to make. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe. Give me a like if you make my creations, if you make any of my other tutorials. I'm planning on making a video at least once a month of any submissions that I get from you guys of things that you've been working on, and I'm gonna give you a shout out in case you wanna, just if you have a channel or a Facebook or an Etsy. So just send me those videos or those images, and I'll make sure to make a video once a month featuring all your hard work. And thank you for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.